Okay. Here, sorry. See.
Alright. Hey man, it's really black.
Yeah.
It's really black, like, damn.
Yeah, there's no other seams to it. The seam around the neck doesn't go down the side and stops.
It really doesn't, yeah. If it went down the side, that might be pretty cool.
You know, like I said, I did the apron on mine and it pulls it in, looks good, except for the gut. You don't have one of those yet. Bring it further up here where it's supposed to be.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks. I'm the other host, Jack. Oz is behind the camera.
Hey, I'm running the thing. I'm totally naked.
Yeah, he's totally...
That's because if you're naked, don't be in the kitchen. We learned that the hard way. Bacon spatters.
Don't cook greasy things without clothes on, I guess. Anyway, so today we're doing something a little bit different. We have not done this on the show yet. We're doing ribs. Now, normally down here in the South, we throw them out on the pit or on barbecue or whatever. We don't normally do them in the oven, but we're actually going to try that today. So let's get right to it. All right, so we lucked out and managed to find these ribs for what is it?
Like $7.
Yeah,
$6.80
$7.
something like that.
$6.83. Yeah, so you can with some lime juice. That's personal choice. Apple juice. You can use any kind of fruit or vegetable juice that you want. And these are my seasonings, but
so just whatever seasoning
choice,
you want
really.
to use for it, right? Like any kind of dry rub.
Yeah, anything.
You get a cookie sheet and you put this flow down. You might want to double it up because those bones might poke holes in it or whatever and leak that stuff, and you don't want it to leak.
Yeah, you want to try and keep all your juices in the foil. So take it out of the packaging. You don't want to leave it in there. You'll get this burnt plastic smell.
True.
It's not very fun either.
You're going to deal with your hand. This is like raw pork. You get it on the counter. Be sure to wash everything. Wash your hands in between everything.
Yep. And here I'm going to go ahead and put lime juice all over it. I prefer using citrusy kinds of stuff
and
with
the
my
lime
meats.
Starts breaking down the meat. Where
it makes it nice and
tender.
soft.
Yeah.
And some rib tickler. This stuff is sweet. They have unsweet versions too if you're into the spicy.
I've never been a fan of putting like barbecue sauces and stuff on my ribs. Like a dry rub is always better. I don't mind the juice stuff because it breaks down and it tastes good when it cooks. But the other stuff just gets sticky and it burns. It gets all crunchy on the end.
Yeah,
so.
I'm not a barbecue sauce on ribs person. I'm more of a dry rub and juice on the side.
Garlic powder because it's us.
Gotta have garlic
powder.
Now, a lot of people don't even think that you can bake ribs. They just think it's something you gotta
have to have on the grill.
Yeah. Some extra spicy seasonings. I'm not gonna use those since there's people that don't like hot stuff here.
And then you put more lime juice on top of it.
Yeah, more lime juice on top of it. Gotta get the top coated so I can do this.
Yeah.
I try to not fondle the meat when possible, so I use this little
that's 'cause you're married.
rubber thing here.
I'm single. I got to. So.
Yeah, I don't know. Having to wash your hands after every single time you touch it gets really annoying. So I try to use tools to prevent.
Or just use the magic sock and go to sleep.
Use the magic sock. No comment. All right. So after you get whatever seasoning, rub,
this doesn't have to be
here,
airtight, right? You just cover it as best you can.
It just has to be kind of wrapped. I mean, you can airtight it if you want, but it's just kind of you're not really helping. I don't think. So put it in the oven for 2 hours at 250 degrees. And after
the 2 hours, right? You pull it out.
Yeah, you want to pull it out, and this is about where you try to add the juice.
And if I go for 2.5 hours and then pull out, like I need a medal.
Yeah, just go for the morning, man. It works. Okay, so anyway, here I'm gonna add apple juice.
So this is when you add the juice, right?
Yeah.
But you don't want to drown it.
No.
Like I said, you're going to take this, you put it on here, and it's going to make it taste like that apple.
It's going to get the apple flavor in it. If you want, as like a little bonus thing, you could actually flip the ribs over so that the meat is on underneath, and it soaks in better. That's my preferred way to do it, but I kind of didn't do that here.
Bones.
Now, I kind of forgot how to wrap it up. Considered, yeah.
Yeah, well, you're married, you got kids. You're supposed to not wrap it up when you do that.
I guess. I forgot how to wrap things, all right, man. You got to go easy on me every once in a while. So put it back in the oven at 250 for another hour, and here you go.
It doesn't like fall off the bone. You try to cut these, and
there was no cutting it; it just fell apart.
Slid off. This is great stuff.
Yeah,
you can season it again afterwards. You can put a little stuff on it, but this was like $7 and enough ribs to kill 4 people.
Yeah, right? There's a lot of food there for just $7.
So it's an easy way to do it. And if you live in an apartment like me, or if it's raining or whatever, then you don't have to kibosh your ribs. You can always just do this, which is a good idea.
And so there you have it, baked ribs, done in the oven since, baked. In case you don't have a barbecue pit or grill, it's the other way to do it. Most folks don't even bother messing with ribs in their lifetime. And everyone's making like hand gestures and
What?
signs
It's-
behind the camera. It's getting really weird.
I'm doing the American Sign Language.
Yeah, to the who.
I'm just here to annoy you.
Well, anyway, you can catch us Tuesdays or Fridays here on YouTube, or technically any day of the week. Those are just when we upload. We're also on Facebook at Living Between Paychecks. We're also on Patreon, Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. Pinterest at Living Between Paychecks.
Kitchen and Instagram.
Instagram, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.